Hello and welcome to everything you need to know about this van. For starters, because of the size, it is easy to handle. It fits in every parking spot, even with kayaks on the roof, and it is very fuel efficient. The van also contains a unique setup with comfort. Now let's go. We will start off with a short introduction of what this van has to offer, and then we will go deeper on how everything works. Here is the fridge. It has an on and off button. If you hold the on button, it will eventually be turned on. Then you can see the temperature, and you can easily turn the temperature up and down as you would like it. And inside you have a lot of space for whatever you want. And to turn it off, you just hold the off button, and there you go. To the right of the fridge, you have more storage to put, for example, knives and other equipment you need to enjoy your food while traveling with the van. To the right one of that again, you have even more storage and equipment that you can use. The best thing to do is to find a suitable place to put it, and as you can see, it's up to you what you want to fill the storage with. The pan is mainly to use for the other side of the equipment box. On the other side, we have a gas stove that makes it easier for you to cook whatever you want while exploring with the van. And on the right here, you have even more storage to put whatever you want. On the right side of the van, you have an extra door with extra storage. This is a perfect place to put your luggage or maybe your life vests if you're going kayaking on your trip. This van is also equipped with a simple shower. The shower set only has 3 things: a shower head, a water tank to fill the shower bucket with water. And now we will show you how to do it practically. The shower head is a chargeable shower that you can charge through USB that we also have in the car. Then you simply just turn the on button and place it in the water bucket, while the shower head has its own place on top of the side of the car. The van also has 2 USB chargers and 2 220 volt inverters in the back of the van. You also have the possibility to charge through USB and 220 volt inverter while driving in the front of the van. The USB chargers in the back are turned on by this button, and the 220 volt inverters are turned on by the button here up in the ceiling. This van also contains a bed for 2. As you can see, the mattress is folded in 2, and all you have to do is to fold the bed down in the front of the van. Start by folding down both seats, and when you fold the second seat, a part of the bed will go down to give you more space. This is connected up in the ceiling. Be sure to never put your whole body weight on this part of the bed, as though it is not strong enough. The next thing to do is to simply take this one up. To prevent you from dragging gravel and dirt into the bed, it's easy to use the mats in the car as a floor mat. When getting inside the bed, the best thing to do is to approach it from the back of the van. As you can see, you have full access to charge wherever you want directly from the bed. We also have a window in the ceiling for you to look at the stars in the night. But even though the stars are beautiful on a clear night sky, you would still want to prevent the morning light from disturbing you in the morning. Then the other car mat is perfect to lay on top of the ceiling. The window ceiling is of course not the only thing that can disturb you with sunlight in the morning. Therefore, we have thermal mats hanging on the windows that you can connect with suction cups. We have also designed a thermal mat that is supposed to fit the front window perfectly. You connect it around the mirror and also put it in place with suction cups. The van is also equipped with 3 different kinds of light depending on what you want. Here you have a perfect reading light, and you also have spotters. Of course, you can use all at the same time, it depends on what you prefer. When it is bedtime, the easiest way is to put your things in the back so you don't fill the bed with unnecessary things. Then you just turn the lights off and lock the doors. Inside the bed area in the back of the car, you also have a heater. This one is variable. It can be used to heat up the van when it's minus 20 degrees outside, but you can also use it to cool the van down on a warm summer's day. In the middle, you have an on button, and when it's turned on, you just use the arrows to turn the heat up and down as you prefer. The heater is also a perfect tool to dry up your wet clothes. Further down from where you control the heater is where the actual heat is coming out from. You can turn it around, it depends if you want the heat to heat up your bed or if you want to dry up wet clothes. In front of the car we have hooks that makes it easier for you to hang up wet clothes and let the heater do the job. The heater also needs to be filled up with diesel, and that you do on the right side of the car besides the storage.